My name is Sven Bretschneider. I'm head of supply chain at EU Automation in the HQ in Stafford. In 2019, when I was a key account manager, I had a phone call from Siemens in Hamburg in Germany saying there's a cruise ship, the P&O Ventura in Tenerife, broken down with an engine problem, and they need a certain number of Siemens Simadyn parts. The person said there's 3,000 people stranded on board in Tenerife. They need the parts urgently. The parts they needed was from an old Simadyn product range from Siemens, obsolete, and it was quite difficult to source some of them, but thanks to our network, we found them all. The inquiry came in like 10 o'clock in the morning. By 12, I knew we could fulfill the order. All systems go by 2 o'clock, with the parts being picked up at 9 o'clock the following day. All parts arrived at 6 p.m., 2 hours before deadline the next day. Cruise ship was repaired the day after, and they continued their way. The customer was extremely happy. I received a bit like a recommendation email from one of their managers saying they put us into their Purchasing Plus platform as an A-star supplier. We were happy to receive that, but this is just what we do. I was happy to help. In essence, it's a normal day in the office. Well, I'm Sven Bretschneider, and if you've got any inquiries, send them our way.